Hold on the China Lake 32015 DME. Set time is 1225 right now.
One guy's moving. Up there? Help him out, Mom.
And they should be turning around and heading back towards each other about now.
That's a pretty neat display.
You gotta hold your hand like this, Steve.
Using their arms as vector control. They don't hit each other.
All right, nicely done in two good open parachutes. These jumpers are Aircrew Survival Equipment 3rd Class Annette Howard from Ukiah, California, making her 111th jump, and Aircrew Survival Equipment 2nd Class William Wild Bill Wilson from Lancaster. Soft landing right out in front of you. And here comes Petty Officer Wilson.
Stealth
And here comes... Very well done. Let's give Petty Officer Wilson and Petty Officer Howard and Chief Morgan a big hand. I think they've done it.
Now, from the left, the F-117A.
There's the brake and the 4-man starburst. First down is Ron Taz Clark. And our next jumper coming down is John Drake. Mark Esposito touching down. Nicely done. Let's give our starburst team a big hand. Nicely done. £1,000 less than its ground attack weight, which usually includes bombs, missiles, and extra fuel. But anyway it's configured, the F-16 is still one of the world's most maneuverable, versatile, and lethal fighter aircraft. Now you can see Captain Wilmot beginning the takeoff roll. F-16's power and maneuverability. Captain Wilmot will perform 2 movements in succession and do it in less than 6,000 feet. To obtain optimal performance at very low air speeds, as these maximum performance rolls at only 170 miles per hour vividly illustrate. The noise you now hear is the sound of the F-16's Pratt & Whitney. I hope that you've enjoyed this brief look at the F-16 Fighting Falcon. If you have any questions about this remarkable airplane or about your United States Air Force, please feel free to ask either Captain Wilmot, myself, or our outstanding maintenance support crew who make this demonstration possible. We'll be happy to talk to you. Thank you, and have a good day.
What a high angle.
Unique to the test evaluation mission that we certainly dedicated to here. Today we will see the China Lake HH-1N Huey helicopter. Our crews have been involved in rescues from the top of Mount Whitney to the depths of Death Valley. On a normal search and rescue or medical evacuation mission, Hospital Corpsman Second Class Joe Boyles, head of the branch plank training department, obtains state-of-the-art search and rescue equipment to the preferred method of rescue. If unable to land, other rescue methods of deploying the SAR MedTech include from a low hover, cable hoisting, and rappelling down a rope to the patient. Today, you will see a rappel voice followers over the Helos communication system. The SAR MedTech, Petty Officer Joe Boyles, gets out on the skid of the helo and final safety checks are completed. This is the last check to ensure all the gear is in order before beginning to rappel. The 2 rappel techniques used here are throwing the rope out hard and commencing the rappel, or having a bag of rope attached to his waist, feeding the rope out as he descends. Today's show, we're using the bag technique. During the descent, the crew chief continues to assist the pilot in his hover with voice reports of movement over the ground, while also keeping track of any obstacles or dangers to the MedTech in his descent to the patient. Once on the ground, the MedTech begins his evaluation of the patient and assists him into the Stokes litter. That must be a pretty good ride, hanging out there on the end of that Stokes litter. We're going to simulate heading off to the hospital now, and I think the hospital is going to look today a lot like where they picked them up. So they should come back around and right back to the same spot. But imagine, if you will, in real life, they'd be on their way to a nice warm place. Completes the SAR demonstration. Hopefully none of us will have to witness this for real. Let's give a thanks to our. Ladies and gentlemen, if you look to your left, you will see the Boeing B-52 Stratofortress in the landing configuration. B-52 pilots today are Captains Sean McManigal and Terry Feather. The radar navigator is Major Randy Nunley, and Captain David Setzer, the instrumentation operator, rounds out the crew.